Hello everyone, how are you doing? Nat here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix Windows Update error code 0x8024401c in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first step is go to the start menu and type settings and hit enter. Scroll down and select troubleshoot in the right side and select other troubleshooters and run the Windows Update troubleshooter and wait a moment. And click on close and click on close and go to the start menu, type CMD, right click and select run as administrator. If you receive an user account control, click on yes and type SEFC space / scan no and hit enter. This process will take some time, can be patient. To apply the change, close this window and go to the start menu, select the power up button and click on restart and wait a moment. And enter your PIN or your password and your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.